this is an application of curvature. Road safety experts need a measure of bendiness. For example, if they're deciding on safe speed limits, or if they have two proposed routes and want to know which is safer. So, on a map of the road, you mark all the points of inflection. So if you imagine cycling along the road, here you'd be turning slightly to the left, and then at that point you would move the handlebars and you'd be turning slightly to the right, and then more and more to the right. And at this point you start to turn in the other direction, and again here, and again here. And at each of those points of inflection, you draw a tangent to the curve. And notice that at a point of inflection, the tangent crosses the curve. Measure the change in direction at each point of inflection. So here we were going in this direction, and then we were going in this direction. So between the points of inflection, the change in direction has been 110 degrees. Between the next 2 points of inflection, the change in direction has been this angle here. You were going in this direction, and you've now turned through 80 degrees. And for the final change, you've changed 40 degrees. So it doesn't matter which way you're changing. You don't put in a plus or minus. You just add the total number of degrees. And then you divide the total number of degrees, that's the total change in direction, by the distance. And that gives a bendiness in degrees per mile or degrees per kilometre.